polymorphism is closely related to inheritance. You know how inheritance represents an is-a relationship? Polymorphism also has that same kind of relationship. So undergraduate is a student and student is a person. Therefore, one instance, such as undergraduate, can pick up the behaviors and attributes of more than one class. That's how polymorphism maintains the capacity to take on many forms. With this diagram, undergraduate has three forms. Undergraduate has the form of a person, undergraduate has the form of a student, and undergraduate also has the form of its own type, undergraduate. There are two ways to implement polymorphism: method overloading and method overriding. Method overloading involves the same class, and method overriding involves different classes. In this polymorphism session, we will investigate method overloading, method overriding, and both Java bindings. Method overloading refers to static binding, while method overriding refers to dynamic binding. Let's start with method overloading. In Java, method overloading is when more than one method has the same name but different parameters. Go to Eclipse. We see two methods named add. However, there's an error. The error states duplicate method add int in type overload. That means both methods share the same name and share the same parameter declarations. To overload a method, the parameter list must be unique. The type and or number of parameters must not be the same. Let's start with the type. Change the second type to double. Include double in the print statement. Save, and the error goes away. Copy and paste. We can also swap the types. Int and double to overload a method. Also swap in the print statements. Double, int. All three methods have a unique order of types. First method, int. Second method has int double. And the third method has double int. Now, let's look at the number of parameters. Copy and paste. Then add int num3. We see every way to overload a method because the type and or number of parameters are unique. Also update the print statement to int numbers and include num3 in parentheses. The return type has no impact on overloading a method because Java does not decide which method to execute based on the return type. If I copy and paste, then change the return type to int. Remove the print statement. Then assign num1 plus num2 plus num3 to int sum equal. Print statement sys out add 3 int numbers equal plus sum, and return statement sum. hover both arrows, and they show duplicate method add, double int in type overload. The return types are different, but they're still an error. A difference in return types cannot be used as an overload method. Change the first type to int. And now we have our overloaded method. A constructor can be overloaded by using this same principle. Next, we will take a look at method overriding. Cool.
Books available in paperback, ebook, and PDF. All Part 1 ebooks and PDF documents are free. Programming books for UFT. Programming books for Java. Here's the Selenium Automation book. And TestNG. Subscribe to get notification of future videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.